Hello everyone and welcome back to your YouTube channel. And welcome to this amazing video today. Well, you must remember that a few days ago I published a photo, and in this photo you must remember big box with the logo VIZIMAX, this Canadian company producing several equipments. And my job today is I will present the device that is inside this box, and I will show you some of the basic features related with this amazing device. And for that reason, in the next minute, I will show you a high-speed video unboxing the very specific device that is inside this box. Please follow me and watch this very quick video unboxing the content. Well, right now there is no more secrets. In front of you, you have this amazing phasor measurement unit, PMU, coming from the Canadian company VIZIMAX. This device is more than a basic phasor measurement unit. To be honest, this device is also beyond the classical IEEE C37118. In reality, I will show you just a very basic information and features in this phasor measurement unit. The first thing that you must notice is that this very specific device that will be installed in the DHensis lab is basically configured to be a rack mode. That means that you can install this in any rack because it has the standard size to be used. The other feature that you can realize is that the front panel is totally configurable in English. Also, the very specific unit that you have in front of you, it was designed to use a power supply of 48 volts DC, because this is the power supply that we have in the DHensis lab. From the communication point of view, this device is amazing. We have at least 2 Ethernet ports for fiber optic. In this case, we are using fiber optic, multi-mode fiber optic, and we can use the classical LC connectors. From the point of view of inputs and outputs, this device, this very specific, is equipped with 10 digital input and 4 digital outputs in the form of relay types. But if you want to use high-speed outputs, also this device is specified with 6 high-speed outputs. Finally, and probably the most lovely feature that I want of this unit for my lab. In my lab, in DHensis lab, we are developing solutions for the next generation of digital energy systems. And to be honest, sample values, they are a key feature that we are using for many purposes in the lab. In this very specific case, when I say that this device is beyond a classical PMU, is because this device is also equipped with a mechanism that allows the analog values to be published in the form of sample values, following the classical IC 61850-9-2LE. But also, this device is equipped with the standard 61856-9-9, okay? In this video, I just try to open the secret of what was inside the box. But in the next video, I will show you more features, and I will do what I call the workaround of the phasor measurement unit, and I will show you the ports and more specifications related for this amazing device. For that reason, I highly suggest that you stay in touch, stay tuned, because in the next video I will show you more technical information, more technical features of this phasor measurement unit from VIZIMAX. Well, that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you at the next one. Thank you, and bye now.